My name is Ambrose, and I'm the Chief Information Officer at the Civil Service College. So at the college, I work with the college to digitally transform how Singapore public officers learn. The macro environment for Singapore is changing very quickly, and the Singapore government has to respond and evolve dynamically to adapt to these responses. And in order to achieve that, our public officers actually need some place to learn with more bite-sized content, more accessible content, and more relevant content for them. And that's where our project, the Digital Learning Ecosystem, comes in to provide that kind of information for them to learn at their pace, anytime, anywhere. With that kind of pace of change that's required, as well as increasing expectations of our public officers, especially as they get exposed to more public technologies like our handphones. So a local platform like OutSystems actually allow us to provide value and to adapt to these changes at pace. So one interesting thing on how we have used a local platform such as OutSystems is that we are using it as a key integrative layer for our digital learning ecosystem. So we bring together different content providers, third-party content providers, and even a traditional learning management system, and to provide a seamless experience for our learners. By providing a more integrated learning experience, our learners actually find learning more enjoyable. They thought that the content was much more accessible, and then of course it's fast. So all of this actually helps to reduce the friction and make learning much more enjoyable experience for our public service officers in Singapore. So the first thing I would advise any of the users would be to think about the problem that you want to solve. Because a low-code system such as OutSystems provides very fast ability to manifest whatever you want. But it doesn't mean that you solve every problem with this platform. Not all problems are made equal, so think about the problem that you want to solve. Moving forward for the Civil Service College in terms of our tech direction, we're actually thinking of using emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence to accelerate the way public officers learn.